everyone. For a point P on a hyperbola, x squared divided by 16 minus y squared divided by 9 equals 1, we have foci f and f prime, and also the distance from point P to F, and then F to F prime, and then P to F prime form an arithmetic sequence in this order. So we're going to find the value of the line segment PF squared plus line segment PF prime squared. All right. So basically what we need to do is look and see what we have. Under the x is 16. So that means take the square root of 16 and you get 4. So that's your A. Your B is going to be whatever's this one, square root of 9 is 3. And so C squared equals A squared plus B squared. And basically what we're trying to do is get this foci, and that's from your C. So this is going to be equal to 16 plus 9, which equals 25. So our C is 5. Therefore, our foci, and you can also, when you square root C, you do plus and minus. So that gives you your foci at 5, 0, and F prime we'll call negative 5, 0. All right, from there, let's look at the distance from F to F prime, because we're going to need that. All right, that's just going to be 2 times 5. Right, so if you have a foci at negative 5 to 5, and this is 0, then you just add the 2 of those. So you get this equals 10. All right, from there, by the definition of hyperbola, we know that the distance of PF prime and minus the length of PF equals 2A. And our A is 4, so that's going to be 2 times 4 equals 8. And then we're going to let PF prime, that line segment equal M. And then if that line segment equals M, looking at our formula here, our PF is going to equal M minus 8. All right. We have this forms a arithmetic sequence. So basically what that means is I'm going to use my arithmetic mean, which is basically the midpoint. This is your middle term, or we can write it like this. So basically to do that, we can write this as 2 times 10 equals M minus 8 plus M. All right. So that means we're going to have 2M equals 28. Therefore, our M equals 14. So that means if our M is 14, that means PF prime is 14. And then that means our PF is going to equal 6. And that's because 14 minus 6 is 8 here. All right, so now that we have those two, we can find this. All right, so let's do that. We're going to get PF square, this distance for the line segment, plus PF prime squared, that line segment, is going to equal 6 squared plus 14 squared. And that's going to equal, let's put it down here, 36 plus 196. And that's going to equal 232. So that's your value. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.